Welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into how to create multiple mixes in the My Mixes section of Harmony. The goal is to gradually increase the holiday music content from 25% up to 50%, and then further to 75% or even 100% as the season progresses. This way, you're not overwhelming everyone with 100% holiday tunes right from the start. Instead, you can smoothly introduce the festive spirit for both your customers and staff by adjusting the music content gradually. Let's begin by focusing on the program FM1. By selecting FM1, you can transform this program into a mix. Once you do this, it's a good idea to rename the mix. For our example, I'm going to label it 75% Holiday. Remember to hit save after renaming. Now, let's choose a festive holiday image to accompany our new program. This one seems just right. After selecting the image, hit Save again. Now, in the mix board, you can see all the components that make up the FM1 program. Our next step is to introduce a new holiday element to this lineup. Start by typing Holiday, and you'll find options like Holiday Pop, Holiday Favorites, Holiday Instrumentals, or Holiday Remix. I'll go with Holiday Pop for this example. Head back to the mix board and navigate to Advanced Settings, which includes an Allows Customization option. By selecting this, you'll notice locks appear. When you lock an element, it ensures it plays at a certain percentage, which in this scenario, we want at 75%. As you return to your lineup, you'll see we've established a 25% day part, a 50% day part, and a 75% day part. Essentially, we're maintaining the same programming but altering the holiday music percentage throughout the season. You can take these day parts, integrate them into your schedules, and assign the relevant dates. This approach allows you to gradually ramp up holiday programming and taper it off as the season concludes. Finally, make sure to check out the scheduling video to get guidance on creating your day-parting schedule.